Hey guys, you can't guess what I got. I really got a bird, and I'm actually at my cousin's house. Here's Hiram, here's Jason.
Actually,
Jason.
at first, I found her first, and now we call her Sofia. And see how she drinks.
No, I called her Sofia.
Oh, yeah. I said we.
Oh yeah, we did. Okay, I don't think she's drinking.
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh. Sophia, you crazy. Sophia, you crazy. Okay, she is crazy. But look, every time we let her go sleep, she just escapes. And she also stands on my finger. Gilan, record it. Okay, look. She also stands on my finger.
Wait, let me
Record. Yeah, look.
Aww. She's so cute.
Well, you need to look at her wings.
Oh. No feather.
Look at her wings.
Ooh.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
And on the back, it's like a little blue.
Yeah, but she does. Last time today is her birthday.
Today is her birthday. And I told her how old she is today, and she is 37. Yeah.
Wow.
It looks like a 2-year-old.
I'm gonna go make a bed.
Or it is a 2-year-old. Wait, she is 3 though. She is 3, I think. Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy 3rd birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Maybe we could say happy birthday.
Oh yeah, and we need to like make like a cake made from a bird. Isn't this a cool bird? Like this beauty is so beautiful.
What is this gonna be?
This is gonna be the noodles. She's gonna. Hello. Everyone likes her, but Jason is the only one that's scared. Don't know why. And she does fly around, and I could get her easy. Okay, you record. Record how I get her.
Oh, sorry.
Look. Every time she runs, boom, get her. That's easy.
I know.
Okay.
Chiton, are you peeing? Okay.
Okay, and guys, she's also my baby. La 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 da 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 do.
It's a bear.
Okay, she's looking at you guys. Wait, what are you saying?
What?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, yeah. And Yolanda is making a bed. And okay, I don't think she's really chilled. And she. Okay, yeah.
No.
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 No, Sophie.